Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing I-601 waivers, specifically in the context of an IR-1 visa denial. Now, first of all, what is an IR-1 visa? It's an immediate relative visa. We're specifically talking about this in the context of a spouse of an American citizen. And an IR-1 visa to the person who is conferred such a visa and enters the United States in such status, they are conferred lawful permanent residence. And to be clear, they're conferred unconditional lawful permanent residence, which is a difference from the CR-1 visa. And the reason for the unconditionality is based on the length of the marriage in these circumstances. So we're talking here about a visa application that's been denied. And for purposes of this video, I'm going to draw from my experience dealing primarily with the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok, Thailand. We do process other cases in the region, but that being said, my primary thrust of experience is dealing with these types of denials with respect to the U.S. Embassy here in Thailand. Now, this could also be of interest to those who've had a denial or think they may be denied at another U.S. Embassy or U.S. consulate outside of Thailand, around the world. This can be used as kind of general information, but just bear in mind that my primary thrust of experience is dealing with the the U.S. Embassy here in Thailand. So if one is denied for an IR-1 visa, they will be denied. They have to be found to be legally inadmissible. So there has to be a legal grounds of inadmissibility pursuant to the Immigration and Nationality Act of the United States. And the consular officer adjudicating the case needs to make that finding, or they will make that finding in terms of denying an application for an IR-1 visa. So what is a legal ground of inadmissibility? Well, there are multiple legal grounds of inadmissibility. For example, we see a lot of legal grounds of inadmissibility. We see a lot of cases denied for overstay. Somebody's previously overstayed their visa in the United States. Certain types of drug offenses, criminal activity, criminal convictions, prostitution, crimes involving moral turpitude, fraud and misrepresentation. Fraud and misrepresentation may only have occurred in the course of the application itself or in some other application that's now coming to light as a result of the adjudication of the IR-1 visa application at hand. But fraud and misrepresentation in and of itself can be viewed as a legal ground of inadmissibility. Any of the above could be viewed as a legal grounds of inadmissibility, and the application could and will be denied as a result of such a finding. Now, the thing to take away from that video is that denial may not be the end of the road. While getting through the IR-1 process is time-consuming and probably frustrating, especially for folks who are doing it on their own, the denial, obviously, it's a bit earth-shattering, frankly. And when one is denied, oftentimes we see people who are very dejected and they believe that that's it, it's over, we've been denied. That may not be the case. Depending on the findings, depending on the facts, it may be possible to get that denial waived pursuant to the approval of an I-601 waiver. Now, an I-601 waiver is adjudicated by Department of Homeland Security as opposed to the denial itself, which for purposes of this video, we're presuming that's going to be here at the U.S. Embassy in Thailand. The personnel of the U.S. Embassy in Thailand operate under the auspices of the Department of State, not Department of Homeland Security. So you're dealing with a different agency. But once an I-601 waiver application would be approved, then presumably the IR-1 visa would be issued and the couple can go ahead and move to the United States, or I should say the foreign spouse, in this case we're presuming a Thai spouse, can move to the United States, take up their residence with their spouse in the U.S., and move on with their lives. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.